Hi, this week we are going to do some scrape art for our Adult Services Department Take and Go craft project. We are going to use as scraping tools, since it is National Library Card Sign-Up Month, some old library cards from the pre-Evergreen days. And so this is actually kind of fun. We're going to start by just showing some basic techniques. To get some of the paint on the paper, I'm just going to glob a little paint on using these stirrers, and these will be included in your packs. What I'm going to show you first is just something you can do to make an abstract pattern. So I'm just going to dot on some random blue. I want some green with mine. I'm going to end up making a bit of a crosshatch pattern. I'm just going to keep glopping it on. This one's getting a little messy, so I am going to grab another stir. Just add a little yellow here and there. I don't want a lot of it, but I do want a little. I'm just adding some globs. And you can be more methodical than I am. It all depends on your preferences. Okay. So, there we go. So this first thing I'm going to do is show you just a basic scrape across the page with the large scraper, large library card. So to do this, you'll just start at the edge and go across. So as to not, you don't want a lot of mixing when you start over on the other side. You can wipe that with a paper towel. We can then go down this way and make some cross hatches. And you can do it as many times as you want, it just depends how much you want it to smear. Okay, so that gives me a nice little pattern, semi-checkerboard. You can see it right there. Okay, nice thing about acrylic paint is it dries very, very quickly. So we can move on with this, and if we want to create some more layers, we can do that. So I like my yellows and blues and how the greens sort of pop in there, but I want to add a little white to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of pin this down so you can see it a little better, is just drop some globs, just randomly, here, there. And this is still a little wet, and that's okay. I don't mind this smearing a little, but you can also wait till it's completely dry. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is take the smaller card, and I am going to make some little star patterns. And this will create some added texture. Obviously you get some paint left on your card, so if you want to add it to another little spot, you can. Adds another pattern to what we already have. It's all up to you. And so that is just a basic scraping pattern. And so that is a basic abstract approach. But obviously you can do whatever you like. That's just what I chose to do for this example.